Hey guys, it's Sal Lombardino here with Bridgewater Chevy. I just wanted to go over a few quick and easy maintenance tips for you and your vehicle. So, number one, every car should be changed oil-wise every 5,000 miles or 6 months to a year. It all depends on what your driving style is, just because some people only do about 10,000 miles a year, while some do 15 to 20,000 miles a year, or even more. So, over here I'm going to show you some quick little tips on how to maintain your vehicle in the future.
All right, guys, so right here in front of us, we're going to have our cluster display. Now, what this is presenting is 92% oil life remaining. Now, you can get your oil change once again every 5,000 miles, 6 months to a year, but this is a good measure marker for you because it does go down all the way to 0%. So if it hits about 10, I would get your oil changed. Next is going to be our tire PSI cluster, showing you where all the air is within all the tires, keeping all the tires at the same PSI level, which at the end of the day is going to improve your driving style. And then next is our air filter life, keeping the air filter all nice and clean. Same thing like the oil. When this goes down to about 10%, it is time to change that.
All right, guys, so that was some quick and easy maintenance tips with me, Sal Lombardino. Come visit our service shop.